At our childhood, just beside our house, Kirana shop is there. The Kirana shop uncle, what he was selling for 20 years or at your childhood, today if you are going to meet the same activities only, the same things only, that person is going to do that. Have you ever saw such type of person in your native places? Anyone saw such type of people in your native places?
In
In
Hyderabad
my
also, small stores will be there.
small stores.
Yes,
In my native place, there is a person named with some XYZ. Original name is not recommended to use. Whenever I was small kid means almost around school days, 6th year, 7th year, 8th year, there is one small Kirana shop is there. Now today my age is 48 years. Today I went recently to my native place. Okay, I hope you people aware. Just before going my parents to the US, I went to my native place. Still the same hotel is there, same Kirana shop is there, same place. Nothing changed in their lifestyle. Nothing changed in their lifestyle. Literally, I witnessed for that person. 40 years before how he was, now also, today also, the same. The only difference is, at the before 40 years, that person is something like, I called that person as the uncle, but now I became uncle, he became grandfather. Beyond that, no difference. That is the only difference what I observed. Getting right? So that's why always have learning capability. Always have, okay, workaholic must be required. Plus, what next thing I can do? What next skill, what I can improve? Such type of thing. Always think about next opportunity, next possibility, next to reach next level, which skill I require to upgrade. Okay, that thing you have to take.